वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं लोकोमोशन एंड मूवमेंट के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, द एच जोन इन द स्केलेटल मसल फाइबर इज ड्यू टू ऑप्शन ए द एब्सेंस ऑफ मायोफाइब्रिल इन द सेंट्रल पोर्शन ऑफ ए बैंड, ऑप्शन बी द सेंट्रल गैप बिटवीन मायोसिन फिलामेंट इन द बैंड, ऑप्शन सी द सेंट्रल गैप बिटवीन एक्टिन फिलामेंट इन द ए बैंड, ऑप्शन डी extension of myosin filament in the central position of A band. So our correct option is option C, the central gap between actin filament in the A band. Question number 2. Select the correct statement with respect to the locomotion in humans. Option A, a decreased level of progesterone causes osteoporosis in old people. Option B, accumulation of uric acid crystals in joint causes their inflammation. Option C, the vertebral column has 10 thoracic vertebrae. Option D, the joint between adjacent vertebrae is a fibrous joint. So our correct option is option B, accumulation of uric acid crystal in joint causes their inflammation. Question number 3. Select the correct statement regarding the specific disorder of muscular or skeletal system. Option A, muscular dystrophy, age-related shortening of muscles. Option B, osteoporosis, decrease in bones and mass and higher chances of fracture with advancing age. Option C, myasthenia gravis, autoimmune disorder which inhibits of myosin filament. Option D, gout, inflammation of joints due to extra deposition of calcium. So our correct option is option B, osteoporosis, decrease in bones and mass and higher chances of fracture with advancing age. Question number 4. Elbow joint is an example of option A, pivot joint, option B, hinge joint, option C, gliding joint, option D, ball and socket. So our correct option is option B, hinge joint. Question number 5. The contractile protein of the skeletal muscle involving ATPase activity is option A, myosin, option B, actin, option C, troponin, option D, tropomyosin. So our correct option is option A, myosin. Question number 6. The acromion process is characteristically found in the option A, pelvic girdle of mammals, option B, pectoral girdle of mammals, option C, skull of frog, option D, sperm of mammals. So our correct option is option B, pectoral girdle of mammals. Question number 7. ATPase enzyme needed for muscles contraction is located in option A, actin, option B, troponin, option C, myosin, option D, actin. So our correct option is option C, myosin. What will happen if ligaments are cut or broken? Option A, bones will move freely at joints. Option B, no movement at joint. Option C, bones will become unfixed. Option D, bones will become fixed. So our correct option is option C, bones will become unfixed. Question number 9. The joints found between sternum and ribs in humans is option A, angular joints, option B, fibrous joints, option C, cartilage joints, option D, gliding joints. So our correct option is option C, cartilage joint. Question number 10. Tendon is made up of option A, adipose tissue, option B, inelastic white fibrous tissue, option C, modified white fibrous tissue, option D, yellow fibrous connective tissue. So our correct option is option B, inelastic white fibrous tissue. Question number 11. Which of the following is the contractile protein of the muscle? Option A, myosin, option B, tropomyosin, option C, actin, option D, tubulin. So our correct option is option A, myosin. Question number 12. The number of floating ribs in human body is option A, 6, option B, 5, option C, 3, option D, 2. So our correct option is option D, 2 pairs. 13. Which ion is essential for muscles contraction? Option A, sodium, option B, potassium, option C, calcium, option D, chlorine. So our correct option is option C, calcium. Question number 14. Which is a part of pectoral girdle? Option A, glenoid cavity, option B, sternum, option C, ilium, option D, acetabulum. So our correct option is option C, ilium. Question number 15. Number of cavity vertebrae in camels is option A, more than that of rabbit, option B, less than that of rabbit, option C, same as that of whale, option D, more than that of horse. So our correct option is option C, same as that of whale. Question number 16. Extremities of long bones possess cartilage. Option A, calcified, option B, fibrous, option C, elastic, option D, hyaline. So our correct option is option D, hyaline. Question number 17. Intercostal muscles occurs in option A, abdomen, option B, thighs, option C, ribs, option D, diaphragm. सर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, रिब। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो उसे सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें।